It's Heidi with Nest Pretty. Nest Pretty is all about making small choices every day that add up to a beautiful life. And you can read all about it in the Nest Pretty Lifestyle Guide. Welcome to my closet. It's Wardrobe Wednesday, and generally I like you to come into my wardrobe so that we can bring it back to start. However, my wardrobe is empty. It has been for, I do believe, like 3 weeks now. And I am just not one to rush it. I'm not going to rush it. So you know what I've been doing, which has been so much fun? I've just been wearing the same thing over and over again. This polka dotted dress is it's classic. And I can change it up in so many ways. And I've also been wearing this dress, which has long sleeves, and it has been so helpful. So I'm not rushing it because there's a few things that I really need to do right now, and it's been on my agenda for like 2 years. So I have had about 8 to 9 boxes come from Zappos. I am a Zappos lover. Zappos is a company that you can purchase shoes from. It's free shipping to you and free shipping returns. So I don't know if you've ever done what I have done, where you walk through the entire mall looking for a specific shoe to go with a specific outfit, and you walk away empty-handed. The last time I did that, I just can't. Never again. Especially when you're looking for something specific. So Zappos has thousands of shoes to choose from. And basically what I do is I pick 7, 9 pairs of shoes and have them sent to me. And then in the comfort of my home, I can try them on. And this has been really important with what I'm trying to purchase right now, because it is a Chelsea boot. And with said boot, silhouettes are so important. So I tried on like 6 different outfits, different silhouettes, trying to find the perfect Chelsea boot. So the guy at UPS is now calling me the shopping cart lady, whatever, because I keep coming in with a shopping cart full of Zappos boxes. But you know, it was totally worth it. So I have it narrowed down to 2, and this has been so much fun. What I have narrowed it down to are 2 very, very different shoes. These, which are gorgeous. Very classic, which goes right along with my own personal style. And I love them. And they're comfortable. And they're lovely. Now the other one pushes me outside of my comfort zone, but they're pretty fantastic. I live in Florida, so a peep toe boot is pretty brilliant, right? And I love the side cutout. And so the only thing that I warn you against when it comes to Zappos is that when you get the 7 pairs of shoes, generally you're going to fall in love with more than one. So you may end up with 2 pairs of shoes instead of just 1. And that's okay. And like what I tell Judah, and I tell all of my clients, I do totally believe. This is weird, I know, it's a long story, but I haven't purchased a pair of boots since I was 18. So if I buy 2 boots right now, it's a no big deal. I just divide the total between the amount of years that I have not purchased boots, and they're like basically paying me to wear them. But you know, they're both so different that I'm just gonna keep them both. It's official, on the air, Judah, I'm keeping them both. Okay, so that has taken up a little bit of my time, but I'm just so thrilled with being able to try on the shoes in my home with several different outfits to get a feel, especially since I haven't had a Chelsea boot in many years. And I still err on the side of practical. So, just making sure I have to love them. I have to love them. And I have to use them. Otherwise, what's the point? So those are the criterias that I've been going with as I try them on with different outfits. So that's the thing. Okay, so two things basically is going on in Heidi's closet. Number one, there are no clothes in here. And number two, I have 2 new boots. But that just illustrates how curating a wardrobe you love takes time. And don't rush it. And going into the mall in a fury of desperation generally leads to mistakes. Generally leads to purchases that you regret, or buying things that you don't absolutely love, that don't absolutely fit you, and that you may not absolutely wear. So this is Heidi with Nest Pretty. Nest Pretty is about making small choices every day that add up to a beautiful life. And I'm pretty sure that this fall I will be having some beautiful feet. And I'm really excited about that. I hope you have a fantastic evening. I just want to also say that if you have read the Nest Pretty Lifestyle Guide and you're like, oh, I wish you would just hold my hand through this chapter, I have been coaching people one-on-one through Zoom, and it has been so fantastic. Link is in the bio. I would love to coach you through the Nest Pretty Lifestyle. Okay, have a great evening. Bye.